Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through New Kingston. Now New Kingston is the business hub of Jamaica. It's like the Wall Street of Jamaica. On the right that is the Courtly Hotel, and just as the video started on the right that was the Pegasus Hotel, or that is the Pegasus Hotel. The Pegasus is actually was the tallest building in Jamaica until last year when the Rogers at 20 floors became the tallest building in Jamaica. Now straight ahead is the Wyndham, what used to be the Wyndham Hotel. The operators of the Courtly Hotel bought this property, which used to be the Wyndham, and they're now renovating it to open it up as another hotel. The name of the project is Project 77 because it's located at 77 Knutsford Boulevard. Now this hotel has been under renovation for quite some time, a few years, so hopefully they will open up soon. And on that property in the parking lot between the Wyndham and the hotel, what used to be the Wyndham and the Courtly, they plan to build a 32-floor building that will be the tallest building in Jamaica when built. Okay, so this is Knutsford Boulevard that we're on, and this is the main road in New Kingston. And New Kingston has some of the tallest buildings in Jamaica. For instance, the Wyndham building used to be the fourth tallest building in Jamaica. But all that changed because the Rogers is now 20 floors, and they're building the Pinnacle in Montego Bay, which is 4 floors at 4 towers at 28 floors each. Okay, on the left is the Total gas station, and if we had turned left, we would go to KFC. As you can see, some very nice buildings, high-rise buildings. On the left, that's the Pan Jamaica building. On the right, used to be the Citibank building, it's now the Sagicor building. And you're going to find every major fast food chain in Jamaica, in New Kingston: Burger King, KFC, Island Grill, Tasty Patties, Juicy Patties. And you're going to find every major bank having a location in Jamaica. So this is the head office for CIBC on the right. Straight ahead on the left is Scotiabank, and to the top of this road to the right, right in front of the Scotiabank, is NCB. Sagicor also has a branch in New Kingston. That's Tasty on the right. On the left is the JPS head office, and on the right that's the New Kingston NCB, and on the left is the New Kingston Scotiabank. Alright, we're now heading up towards Trafalgar Road. Trafalgar Road is also another main road in New Kingston. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.